Welcome to the next in a series of short videos, just giving you details about some of the latest pieces of stock that we have in at the moment. I've pulled the most interesting ones for you to have a look at. This is a 1984 Rolex 16760 GMT Master 2. This is the Sophia Loren, or the Fat Lady. One of the rarest of the GMT Masters, because it was only made for 3 or 4 years in the 1980s. It's called the Sophia Loren, called the Fat Lady, because the GMT Master case wouldn't fit the first GMT Master 2 movements. So they used the Sea Dweller case without the helium release valve. So this case is 1 millimetre or so thicker than a standard GMT Master 2. It makes it curvy and sexy, so they call it Sophia Loren. All 16760s were Coke inserts. This was the first watch ever to come with the Coke. So all the others before that were Pepsi, of course, from the 1950s, and then from 1972 the black came in. In 1984 what we know of as the Coke came in, and this was the first watch to feature it. This watch is very, very sharp and very crisp. It's got really fat, really sharp lugs. It's got a great bezel. The bezel insert is slightly faded, but nothing serious, just enough to give it a slightly vintage feel. Dial and hands, no patina, no wear. Now this is particularly important with the 16760 because a lot of the original dials on these watches were faulty. They either mottled or they cracked in what some people call a spider dial. So consequently, a lot of the original dials on the 16760 have been replaced. This one hasn't. It's showing no signs of mottling, no signs of cracking or spidering. And at this age, 40 odd years old, nothing's going to happen to it now as long as it's looked after. So this is a rare one in as much as it has an original undamaged dial. The case is brilliant. The movement has just been serviced. It's running really beautifully. Passed the pressure test, all good. It's on a Jubilee bracelet at the moment, as you can see. The GMT Master had the option of the Jubilee and the Oyster when it was new. This one is on a Jubilee. It has an Oyster with it as well. So there is a period correct Oyster bracelet with it. So you can chop and change the feel of your 16760 as you wish. Also, very importantly, it comes with the papers. It comes with the boxes, the original booklets, the original tags, and some other bits and bobs in there as well. So this is very much a full set 16760 with an original dial and a great case, just serviced. It is one to grab. It's on the website at the moment at £14,250, so pop over there and have a look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please press the like button, please click the subscribe button so we can bring you more content. Thank you.